everyone. I am Balaji. I say paragraph. Generations of computer. The history of computer development is understood in the context of different generations of computers. Their simplicity is in use extra e of generation of computer is an improvement over the previous one. It